Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I want to share with you all how I managed to pass my Forex Fund 10k challenge. So I passed phase 1, phase 2 and I'm currently trading with my live account. So it wasn't a really smooth journey guys, because I failed the challenges 3-4 times before. It wasn't it because like not that I don't know how to trade. My main problem was my the psychology. So in today's video, I want to share with you all how I make a plan to pass these challenges, and how I change my the mindset. Like what caused me to change my mindset and what I understood during this process. So I really do believe that you will get something out of this video. So if you are someone who is planning to get My Forex Fund or FTMO any challenges, or if you are someone who is trading your own money, I still believe this video will helpful for you guys. So let's not waste any more time. Let's quickly go to the video. So the first thing guys, what do I mean by the mindset or the trading psychology is the most important thing in this business? Because just remember guys, before you taking this trade, you need to be okay with whatever happened. Because with the first time I failed my challenge, I used to blame myself and I used to angry with myself and I used to blame God, and then just telling I go, why it's all happening to me? And it's just something like I'm so glad that I managed to overcome that past. I think everyone at some point of time will go through something like this, when you trying, and then when things not going your way, you will get discouraged. But what I'm telling you guys, just try to be okay with whatever it happens. You just need to forgive yourself if you make a mistake. Let's say I know these plans are quite expensive for some of us, but still it is what it is, right? So before you take in this trading this funding challenges, what you need to do is you need to promise yourself, I'm gonna try my best, and we'll see how it goes. But whatever it happens, because just end of the day guys, anything can happen, but you need to have that mindset. If this didn't work, that's all right, I will see what I can do and I will go after it again, right? So that's the mindset that you need to have to pass these challenges. Number one, you cannot every time you have a loss, you cannot say, oh my god, why this happening, and this is not right, and I don't know why it my stop loss. You cannot be like that. So you simply have to have a solid foundation and solid mindset, and this will gonna help you a long period of time in this trading business. And the second thing guys, what I did, I started to approach the market in a systematic way. So let's say, what do I mean by approaching the market in a systematic way? So just think guys, trading is a probability game, right? So there will be some losses and there will be wins, and still we know there are some pro traders out there. They have only 40% win rate, but they still make money because of their risk to reward ratio. So you need to go to the market every single day and do the exactly same thing again and again. So there are some traders I used to be like this. So let's not talk about other traders, let's talk about me. So what I used to do is I sometimes I go and then I trade support and resistance, and the next time I trade trend line breakout, and then the next time I trade some smart money concept. So that was my problem. So if it is a probability game, right? So if it's just like you putting a coin up and down, so there will be head and tail, right? So if you take 100 times that you flip this coin, there will be numerous time head, and there will be other times tail. So if you have a good risk reward ratio, end of the day you still gonna make money. So let's see how you can make a plan to approach the market in this systematic way. So first thing guys, and I do really hope if you guys can take a quick pen and paper and get jot down some notes, because I think it will be really helpful for you guys. So let's say you are going to make a plan, and then this plan is going to help you to pass these challenges whatever you are doing. And I can guarantee, like, if you follow this plan, you will have some good results. So the first thing, guys, you need to put in your plan what pairs you are trading. So this thing, like, this statistic, you should take it from your previous experience, or you can go to your previous records and see what are the pairs that you are actually good at it, or what are the pairs you actually not good at it. So sometimes, maybe you are good at Euro USD, GBP USD, but maybe you are not good at trading gold or US30. So if you have, like, if you look your past, right, if you look your past, and then if you know that you are not good at with Euro US30 or gold, so then you don't have to trade those one in this challenge, right? Then I don't know, like, I did the same mistake. But if you are doing something like that, I really hope that you will change it. So in this plan, you need to add what are the pairs that you're going to trade. So it can be five pairs, it can be 6 pairs, or maybe it can be 1 pair, 2 pair, but I cannot say anything. It's totally up to you. So this one has to choose from your previous statistic. And the second thing, guys, you need to actually decide what time of the day that you are trading, because some strategies, they need volume, right? So if your strategy need, like, breakout, or that's mean you need volume, right? So something like that. And if you are waiting for these things to happen in the Asian session, sometime it might not work, because we all know that Asian session most of the time it ranging, and then, like, as soon as the London comes in, it will go in opposite direction. So something like that. And so then this way you don't have to check the market every single time, like, 24/7. You can live your life, and you can separate, like, your personal life, you are trading. So you can treat this one as a proper business. And so let's say, for example, you are someone who like to trade London session, right? So you can add your plan. Okay, I'm going to trade these pairs and in this session. So that's how you going, like, in a professional way. And the third thing, guys, you need to find out, like, how you going to manage your trades. So what do I mean by that? You need to come up with the system, like, according to your risk to reward ratio. Or maybe you are a person, like, you get into trade, whether you waiting until hit your TP or hit your stop loss, you not taking parts or anything, but it's totally fine, but it's up to you. And if you are someone, like, go for aiming for a higher risk to reward ratio, and then you need to manage it, like, accordingly, right? So you can come up with a plan. Okay, I'm taking trades more than 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, but every time if it go to 1 to 1, I will move my stop loss to break even, or I will take a small parcel out from the table. So it's something like that. So but you need to put that one in your trading plan. So then every time when you go to the market, when you in a trade, you don't have to think about what I'm going to do, like, what I'm saying, like, sometimes these can, like, go up and down, and then you feel crazy, right? So but if you have a plan, all you have to do is, okay, you get into the trade, and if it go to 1 to 1, you will move to break even, or you will take parcel out, or you will not do anything. So it has to be in your plan. So that's how you can do exactly same thing every single day. Making something like this, you will automatically become a professional trader. And the other thing, guys, need to put like a limit for your drawdown. So let's say, if you are taking these challenges, we all know we have a 5% drawdown rule, right? Even I hit 5% the one time, and then I lost that account, because after it happened, I was thinking, what the hell happened? I already know there's a rule that I cannot lose more than 5% a day, but I still couldn't protect it, right? I still made the mistake, but it is what it is. So that's why I came up with this system. So now what you have to do, you can come up with the plan. Okay, I am willing to risk 3% a day, or 2% a day, or 1.5% a day, whatever that you are comfortable. I cannot tell, like, you go and try 4% a day, 3%. So it's something that you are comfortable with, because end of the day, what we are all trying is, guys, making this one simple as possible. Otherwise you will if you just someone waiting in front of this chart like 24/7, you will lose so many things in life. So we need to make a balance, right? And for to risk approach, that's why I said, like, let's say you are willing to take 3% risk a day. If everything goes against you and it hit your stop loss limit, I mean your equity stop loss limit 3%, that's the rule that you put into your to protect yourself from yourself. So and then you need to stop. So this 3% you can come up with whether you're going to trade 1% each for 3 trades, or 1.5% for 2 trades, or you going all in one 3% in one trade. But it is what it is, that totally up to you. I cannot say anything. If you are confident enough, you can go with 3%, but if it hit your stop loss, you need to stop for the day. You cannot say, like, once it hit your your drawdown level, you cannot say, oh, I'm going to try one more time, I'm going to no, because you need, that's how you're going to make it disciplined. So I think that you need to do, you need to put the pairs that you are good at it into this plan. And also the second, that you need to put your time, what session that you are trading, and you don't have to look your charts and look for entries in the other sessions. Like if you are trading London session, you don't have to look for entries in your Asian session. You can live your life and come up to the London session. And also the third one, the risk management. So in this one, you put in your plan how you going to manage your risk and how you going to manage your trade. If it go to certain level, whether you're going to break even or you stop loss. So when everything in your plan, you don't have to think what I'm going to do. So this is how we access in the market in a systematic way. And the last one was the drawdown equity level. So even though the funding companies give us 5% drawdown rule, I still believe we don't need to lose 5% in a day. Like, there is no point that why we have to lose. If there is a not good day to trade, let's say you can finish early and call it a day. So if you have that 3%, or you can come up with 2% risk or 3% risk, I don't really care, but it's something that you are comfortable with. So then once it hit your drawdown limit, you need to stop for the day, and then you can come the next day and do exactly the same thing, guys. And so guys, that's all I have in this video. I do really believe that I managed to add some value for your time, and thank you so much for watching this video again, and thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you all in my next video. Stay safe, guys, and happy trading.